Welcome all. In this video, we are going to know about numbers. There are different types of number systems, but in this video, I am going to talk about only Hindu-Arab numeration system and Roman numeration system. So, what is Hindu-Arab numeration system? This one. In this system, the digit from 1 to 9 and 0 are used to form number under certain systematic rules. That means when you write a digit, we will use this digit. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So with the help of this 10 digit, we will write digit. Suppose I am writing 1000. So I will write 1 and 3 zeros with 1. So it will be our 1000. So likewise, in Hindu-Arab numeration system, these 10 digits are used to write different digits. Next one is Roman numeration system. Here we can use only 7 digits. And what are the digits are? The digits are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. All these 7 digits have a Hindu Arab value. Here I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. So these are the Arab numbers which are assigned to these Roman digits. And with the help of this Roman digit, we can write any numbers. Suppose I am writing 10, so I can write only x because x represent 10. X represent 10. Suppose I have to write 7. I have to write 7. So what I can write? I can write 1 5 because V represent 5 and 2 i's. 5, 2 and 2. So it will be our 7 because 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this is how we can represent any number by Roman numbers. Now we will talk about rules for formation of Roman number. How can you write a Roman number? The rule 1 is digit I, X and C can be repeated 3 times. That means we can write I, X and C 3 times. Suppose I am writing 30. So I can write 10, 10 and 10, that is X, 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 because X here represent 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it will be 30. So this is how we can write x 3 times to represent 30. Suppose I have to represent 3. So I can write 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is I. 1 I for 1 digit, 1 I for 1 number and 1 I for 1 number. So it will be 3. So 3 can be represented by 3I. So this is how we can represent a number by IXC by writing it 3 times or 2 times. Suppose I am writing here 7. So to represent 7, I can write 5 because V represent 5 and 2 i's. 1 and 1 and 5, it will be 7. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 7. So this is how we can write I twice. Now rule number 2. The rule number 2 is when a digit of lower value is written before a higher value digit, then lower value digit is subtracted from the higher value digit. If it is written that I and V, so we know V represents 5 and I represents 1. So we can see here that V, which is 5, is written after I. That is, before a higher value, we have written one lower value. In this case, what we have to do? We have to subtract this lower value from this higher value. So the value of V is 5 and value of I is 1. So we have to subtract 1 from 5 and we will get 4. So this represents, so IV represents 4. So this is the example of rule 2. Now rule number 3. If a horizontal line over a digit of Roman number is drawn, then the value becomes 100 times. That means if I write x I x, if I write ix, so there is one bar over ix, that is one horizontal line over ix. So this means the 9 will be multiplied by 1000. This bar means 1000, so it will be 9000. So this is the example of rule number 3. Now we will solve some question answers. The first question is, write the Hindu Arab numerals for the following. So here our first Hindu Arab digit is V triple I. So V means 5 plus 1 I for 1, another 1 and another 1. Here 3 I is there, so we have to add 3 1. So it will become 8. So 8 represents this Roman number. Now this one, here M represents 1000, then we have to add, C represents 100 and L represents 50. So it will be 1150. So this is how we can write Roman numbers into Hindu Arab numerals. So number 3 is X L B. Here X is written before L. The value of L is 50 and value of X is 10. So we can see here that a smaller number is written before the greater number. So we have to subtract 10 from 50 because the value of L is 50 and X is 10. Then we have to add this 5. So 50 minus 10, 40 plus 5, it will be 45. So 45 is represented by XLB. Now XB. We can see here that XB is there and one horizontal line is there above XB. That means we have to multiply the value of XB with 1000. So the value of X is 10 and value of B is 5. This one will be multiplied by 1000. So it is 15 into 1000. So answer will be 15,000. Now the last one. Write the Roman numerals for the following. 38. We can write 38 as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So for 10 x will come, this 10 x will come, for this x will come, for 5 b will come, for 1 I will come, for this 1 I will come, for this 1 I will come. So 38 will be represented by XXXVIII. Now 16 can be written as 10 plus 5 plus 1. So for 10 we can write x, for 5 we can write b, and for I we can write I. So the value of 16 is XVI. Now 56 can be written as 50 plus 5 plus 1. L, 5 is V and it is I. So 56 represent LVI. Now 98 can be written as 100 minus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we have subtracted the value of 10 from 100. That means the value of 10 will be before the value of 100, that is C. Then 5 will be represented by V and this is 111, that is I. So 90 will be represented by XCB triple I.